Good morning, folks. Reporting live from the Mountain State here in West Virginia. What a day it is. Excited to get on the hill. Headed today towards Timberline Mountain, my favorite mountain there in the Mid-Atlantic. We'll name it the King of the Mid-Atlantic for now, until it's dethroned. It's 4.4 shred score there, 1,000 vert, 20 total trails. Thanks for tuning in this season. Season 4, it's going to bring some different opportunities, but we're going to try to keep it local in Canaan Valley, Mid-Atlantic, try to hit all those places. Western skiing, it's amazing, don't get me wrong, but I don't feel home there, right? Like, that ain't my home. So Mountain Mom is calling me home. We're going to go ski it today. Looking forward to getting on the hill there at Timberline, and let's get ripping. Right through there, it's going to be hard to see through the camera. We take this big climb, and then all of a sudden you're near 3,500 feet in elevation, and it changes from dry to a winter wonderland. All right, we're checking back in on the drive. It broke down quickly. Well, we're all wrapped up here at Timberline Mountain here in Davis, West Virginia. What a day it was out there shredding. First day in the Mid-Atlantic, granted a POW day. This seems like a continuation from last season. Unbelievable conditions out there for second weekend of the season. Pray that it doesn't rain or warm up, because right now there's great coverage over here. We gave Timberline Mountain in the past a 4.4 shred score, so no new score. Again, mountain management, it's all awesome. Looking forward to getting on the hill. Not sure where I'm going to head, but I'm trying to get to Bryce Resort to check out the trail expansion over there. They opened 4 new trails on the backside. So looking forward to getting out to my next hill. Believe it's going to be Bryce, and I'll see y'all next time.